Hey guys, Andrew from Cable Bullet here, and today I want to show you how to get perfect cable spacing using our drill guides. Let's dive in. We have two different drill guides depending on your application. We have a 6-hole drill guide, which is preset for our recommended 3-inch cable spacing. This guide is really great for level runs. We also have a single hole drill guide, which is great for drilling pass-through holes on your stair runs, or for when your cable spacing isn't at our standard 3 inches. Both drill guides enhance the accuracy of your tensioning and pass-through holes. Let's take a closer look at each of these and how to use them. The 6-hole drill guide has a few components that I'd like to familiarize you with. There's a template strip and an acrylic backer. The template strip has 6 spots for drilling 9/16 inch tensioning holes and 6 spots for 3/16 inch pass-through holes. On the acrylic backer, you have 2 knobs which you can adjust to accommodate the width of your post. These just screw into the slots at the top and bottom of the guide. On larger posts, the knobs can be removed entirely. On the acrylic itself, you have a few spots to grasp the template while using it, as well as some extended surfaces to allow for easy clamping. Using the 6-hole guide is pretty simple. First, mark the vertical center of your post with painter's tape and a marker. Now, align the template with the underside of your top rail. For tensioning holes, make sure that the 9/16 inch half circle is against the handrail. For pass-through holes, this will be reversed to the 3/16 inch side. Center your holes using the adjustable knobs. Clamp your template in place and drill your holes as needed. For best results in drilling pass-through holes, make sure to drill in from both sides of the post using high-quality bits. If you're drilling holes farther down the post, line the top hole on the template strip with your most recently drilled hole. Like I said, pretty simple. Thanks for being here with us. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel. Now let's see how the single hole drill guide can help you on your next horizontal cable railing project. The core components of this guide are the guide head, the guide body, and the right angle screws. Each drill guide comes with 2 different head sizes, one for 9/16 inch tensioning holes and one for 3/16 inch pass-through holes. Using the wing nut on the guide body, you can adjust the angle of the head to accommodate for the slope of your stairs. Lastly, you've got the right angle screws, which grip the edge of your post to help keep the guide centered. To use, align the guide with your post and clamp it in place. Use the right angle screws to get your center point as needed. Use painter's tape when clamping to avoid scratching your post. Drill your pass-through holes with a 3/16 inch bit and tensioner holes with a 9/16 inch bit. Make sure to lubricate your bits using WD-40 to avoid premature wear or seizing. If you're drilling pass-through holes on a stair, use an angle finder to adjust the drill guide head to the slope of your top rail. For both stair and level runs, make sure to go in on both sides of the post with a high-quality bit. And that's how to use these drill guides to drill accurate holes for your cable railing. Be sure to subscribe for more product overviews like this one. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and visit cablebullet.com for project support.